Hello guys, this is Jerry from Smart Affiliate Success, and in this video I want to give you a really quick walkthrough on Market Health Affiliate Network. So what is Market Health? It is an affiliate network that has all the affiliate programs and products in the health, fitness, and beauty niche. So if you're an affiliate marketer in the health, beauty, and fitness niche, this affiliate network is for you. They have some really interesting and high conversion affiliate products for you to promote. So let me give you a really quick walkthrough on this. So this is the offer page after you have signed up for Market Health, and this is the dashboard. Click here, offers, and you can see all the offers here. If you want to see the latest offer, here it is, and you can see all the commission rate, the payout for each product here. Let me show you. So as you can see, you can grab your affiliate tracking link here. You can generate tiny URL, get pixel, add sub IDs to get your tracking ID customized, and here's your payout, the landing page, and banners for you to promote your affiliate product, just for you to see. And one of the best part of Market Health is that they have offers specifically for different countries. As you can see, for this one, Belgian offers, you open up this affiliate product and check out their landing page. It will be in the language that Belgium use. So this is very useful for local marketing to target specific countries and make money from it. So this part is very useful. This is one of the unique feature of Market Health, that it is different from all other affiliate programs. So let me show you the pros and cons of this affiliate network. This is my website, Smart Affiliate Success, and this is my in-depth review of Market Health Affiliate Network. If you want to read this review, simply click on the link below in this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, it will lead you to this page. So let me just quickly show you the pros and cons. So first, Market Health pays its affiliate twice per month on every 1st and 16th of the month, and the payout is just a very little of $20. So the low threshold and frequent payout means affiliate can be paid faster and easier. So also, Market Health offers a 50% commission rate, which is very different from very big affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, which only offers a commission rate of 4% to 10%. And as you can see just now in the platform here, the payout is pretty high. As you can see here, this is $55, and it's basically, the range is from $30 to $70, and the average commission rate is 50%. So this is considered a pretty high paying affiliate program. And for Market Health, the cookies is 30 days, and as you know, Amazon Associates only has a 24 hours cookie, so this is a really big plus point for Market Health. And another very big advantage of Market Health is that you don't need to have a website to be approved to become an affiliate, because the application process for Market Health is really simple. You just need to click on this join now button and you'll be led to a sign up page to put in your basic info. That's all. No website application process is required, so the application process is very fast. You can get approved very fast. That's a really big good point for market health. Now let's come to the cons, the bad of market health. First, market health doesn't have a recurring income in place because the affiliate program they focus on is based on cost per action, cost per lead, and cost per sale, which means that you'll get commission for every product sale or every action taken, depending on the product itself. And there's no recurring fees like membership sale or this. But the good point of market health is that market health has its own remarketing or retargeting plan and schedule via their newsletter, their coupon offers to get back the old customers. So if the old customers come back to purchase through market health, you will also get the 50% commission. So this is a recurring income in that sense, but it's not a definite monthly or yearly recurring income sale. Next, market health claims that they offer affiliates a 5% commission for referring new affiliates into the market health platform. However, I couldn't find any place to find my tracking link, affiliate link to refer people. So I'm really doubting on this point. Next, as you can see from the market health about page, they say our goal is simple: to help merchants and affiliates work together in growing both their businesses in the health and beauty industry. However, after my investigation, market health is only for affiliates. Merchants who want to sell their products online cannot apply through market health because they don't accept merchants application. Let me show you the proof. I've contacted market health support, and this is their reply. Hi Jerry, thank you for reaching out to market health. I regret to inform that we will not be able to host your account since we are a direct network, meaning all offers in the network are owned and manufactured by us. So which means you can't apply for market health as a merchant to sell your product. You can only apply to market health as an affiliate and promote their products because all the products on market health is owned by themselves. So this is different from what they put in front, the information they give. So this is not really good. So next point, the platform they are using here, this offer platform, is they'll automatically log you out sometimes, so you have to keep logging back again and again after some time, and I find this really annoying. So there's some disadvantages on their platform that they can improve on. That's all for today's very quick walkthrough for market health affiliate network. So but if you want to utilize and leverage this market health affiliate network to the max, because they really have a really good payout, their commission rates, all this is a really good affiliate platform for those affiliates in the health and beauty niche. However, if you don't have the foundation and the basic in affiliate marketing, you won't be making money. So the first step to making money from affiliate marketing and from market health is to have a good foundation. And to have a good foundation, you need to follow a good system and support. So I have a free gift for you as a gesture for watching my review on this video. So my gift for you is this: the proven 4-step affiliate marketing blueprint. This review will help, this blueprint will help you start from scratch, build a really strong foundation in affiliate marketing, and you'll learn everything about how to build your website, how to put up content, how to put out affiliate offers, so that you can apply to market health and make money online. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can click on the link below in the description area to claim your free gift from me. And if you're watching this on my website, you can simply simply put in your name and email on the right sidebar, and I'll send this free blueprint to you straight away. So thank you for watching today's review on market health, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.